Hello, hope you're doing well. It's best to turn situations or challenges into an advantage. So when you're discussing projects you worked on, it's good to explain a project where you solve the challenge, and it's ideal if you can demonstrate that not only you solve the issue, not only you solve the challenge, but you turn the whole situation into an advantage. For example, you can say, when I worked at company so and so, we received a call from our customer so and so, largest ISP in India, for example, Tata Communications, largest ISP in India, and the engineer was noticing some outputs on the router. I worked with the engineer. We couldn't resolve the issue. I worked with the developers, and these are the people that write the software. And since it wasn't a network outage, they were not able to help. They didn't have enough bandwidth to help. It was more of a network was down, network was up, network was live, except the engineer was seeing outputs that weren't matching up with his expectations. So my developers said they don't have time to work with the customer because it's not a network down situation. I didn't want to go back to the customer with that answer, so I researched the issue, stayed up until 3 4 in the morning, researching the issue, reading RFCs, and I learned that our implementation works. However, it's not 100% in line with the standard. So it was a situation where we were dealing with a customer who's far more knowledgeable than myself and my business unit when it comes to standards. So I spoke to the customer and I explained that he's right. The outputs are not 100% in line with the standard. And that's all the customer wanted to hear. He wanted an explanation. And I developed a great relationship with the customer. And anytime we would receive a call from Tata, I usually ask that he joins the call, and it kind of improved our communication with the communication with the company as a whole improved through my relationship with him. So you're talking about the project, you're talking about how you solved the project, which is good, but you're also explaining how you turned it into an advantage, whether it's an interview or any situation. Turning challenges into advantages is great. Thank you.